Have you ever wondered if humans could survive on Europa, one of Jupiter's largest moons? This celestial body far from our home planet is a subject of intense interest. Why, you ask? Well, beneath its icy surface, Europa is believed to harbor a vast ocean, an expanse of water that's twice the size of all Earth's oceans combined. Quite a thought, isn't it? This immense hidden ocean has sparked the curiosity of scientists across the globe. The prospect of such a body of water potentially teeming with life is a fascinating and tantalizing prospect. It's an idea that challenges our understanding of where life can exist and broadens our perspective of the universe. Now let's take a moment to ponder this. Imagine living on a moon with an ocean that dwarfs those on Earth, existing under a shell of ice. Fascinating, isn't it? However, living on Europa isn't as simple as packing your bags and hopping on a spaceship. Europa, while fascinating, is not exactly the friendliest of places for human habitation. It presents a myriad of challenges for us Earthlings. Firstly, Europa is surrounded by an environment teeming with harsh radiation. This radiation would be detrimental to human health, making everyday living a constant struggle. To overcome this, any potential habitats or visiting spacecraft would require extensive shielding, a technological feat that we are yet to fully master. Then there's the issue of logistics. Establishing a base on Europa would be a colossal endeavor. Transporting materials, equipment and personnel across the vast expanse of space is no small task. It would require a level of planning, resources and technology that are currently beyond our reach. Additionally, resupply missions would be both difficult and time-consuming. Given the distance between Earth and Europa, it would take years for supplies to reach their destination. This would mean that any human inhabitants would need to be largely self-sufficient, another hurdle to overcome. The harsh radiation, logistical hurdles, and the need for extensive shielding unfortunately make Europa a rather unfriendly neighbor. Despite these challenges, our curiosity and thirst for knowledge push us to explore further. The upcoming Europa Clipper mission is testament to this. This mission is set to explore Europa from orbit, offering us a unique opportunity to learn more about this moon and its potential for life. The Clipper, armed with a suite of scientific instruments, will delve into the mysteries of Europa's icy shell and the ocean beneath. It will study the ice surface and subsurface, looking for signs of recent or ongoing geological activity which could hint at the conditions necessary for life. It will also analyze the thin atmosphere and measure the radiation environment, crucial for understanding the challenges a potential human mission might face. In addition to this, the Clipper will also attempt to detect plumes of water vapor that could provide direct samples of the moon's subsurface ocean. This could unlock clues about the potential habitability of this distant world. The Europa Clipper mission is set to sail us closer to understanding Europa, a mysterious moon with an ocean deep inside its icy shell. So what does this mean for the future of humans on Europa? Europa, Jupiter's icy moon, holds immense potential for life, with its vast subsurface oceans and compelling geology. However, the challenges of establishing human life on Europa are equally daunting. The harsh radiation environment, logistical hurdles, and the need for extensive shielding make it a formidable task. The upcoming Europa Clipper mission is a significant step in our quest to explore Europa. This mission will provide us with invaluable insights about this intriguing moon, from its icy surface to the possible alien life in its oceans. But despite these challenges, the potential rewards make the continued exploration of Europa a compelling endeavor. The possibility of discovering alien life, understanding our solar system better, and pushing the boundaries of human exploration and colonization make the trials worth it. While a human mission to Europa may not be feasible now, who knows what the future holds? As we continue to explore and learn more about this fascinating moon, we inch closer to the possibility of one day calling Europa our second home. To continuously be enlightened, like and subscribe.